Welcome to the Kebbi tutorial series. In this video, we'll guide you through how to communicate with Kebbi, use the monitoring feature, manage contacts, and adjust contact settings. Let's get started. To communicate with Kebbi, you'll need to use an app called Nuwa Contact and add Kebbi as a contact.
First, download the Nuwa Contact app on your mobile device. You can search for it directly on the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, log into your Nuwa account. After logging in, you'll receive your Nuwa contact number. On Kebbi's side, you can find the Nuwa contact icon on the main menu. Once inside, you'll see Kebbi's contact number at the top, or you can tap the QR code icon to display Kebbi's contact number as a QR code. Scan the QR code with your phone to add this Kebbi to your contacts. Kebbi will receive a contact invitation. Press Agree to connect. After refreshing the page, you'll see that this Kebbi has been added as your contact.
To communicate with Kebbi from your mobile device, you can simply tap the voice or video call button. On Kebbi's side, besides tapping the button, you can also say, "Hello, Kebbi.
Hi.
Call Robert Jones." During a call, you can toggle the camera and microphone, remotely control Kebbi's wheels and head movements, and even change Kebbi's expressions. In addition to regular communication, you can also use Kebbi for monitoring when you're not at home, allowing you to check on your family's safety remotely. To protect privacy, you'll need to enable monitoring permissions for specific contacts on Kebbi.
First, find the person in Kebbi's contact list for whom you want to enable monitoring. Tap on their contact card, then toggle on Allow Video Monitoring under the Monitoring Permission section. Once enabled, this person will see a monitoring button on their mobile device. Tapping the button will start the monitoring session. During monitoring will be displayed on Kebbi's screen. Meanwhile, the mobile user will have remote control over Kebbi. To manage contacts, tap on the contact's card to edit their name, add tags, or delete the contact. Note that when you delete a contact, they won't be notified. However, if they try to call, the call will show as failed on their end. In Kebbi's Nuwa Contact app, you'll also find additional settings options. You can set Kebbi's status or switch to call settings, where you can enable or disable auto pickup, set the answer delay, and control whether remote control is allowed. If you disable remote control, mobile users won't be able to control Kebbi during video calls.